What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna do my first beat making video. So I got this sample. I'll put it before the video. Yeah, I chopped it up, got some drums ready, but I haven't recorded anything yet. But yeah, let's get into it. So here's the chops I got. So yeah, I just chopped it based on the drums that I could hear in there. I've done a few other beats and it turns out pretty well for me a lot, so I'm doing that for this one here. The tempo of this I think is around 92. If not, I could just change it. If it feels wrong, I can bump it up or down or whatever. But yeah, I kind of already have my chops picked out. I was messing around with it earlier. Alright, let's record this. That was sounding decent. I'll fold this and quantize. So I'm gonna quantize this a little bit. I usually don't like 100% quantize it, but I still do a little bit, just so it gets at least somewhat on time. All right, this feels a little slow. Let's bump it up. Alright, that's sounding pretty good actually. Now let's go to the drums. So I just downloaded this Tyler Creator Songs drum kit from Reddit drum kits. I'll put it in the description. Something like this. And this is the hat. What I'd like to do with my drums is I keep my pad on full level, and then, at least not for the hats usually though, and then for the kick I'll have two of the same kick, so one's quieter and the other one's louder, so I can do the little ghost kick. So yeah, and let's just record some drums over, I guess. Think I got it. Let's try this. Alright, that was good. That was good. I did that. Alright, so yeah, I like to quantize this kick right here, but then leave the ghost kick how it is. That's what I usually do. And then the snare, I pretty much quantize that. So now, let's get rid of this kick at the end. And now it's just time for the hi-hats. I'm just gonna turn up the snare a little bit, and the kick I might turn up a little bit too, but yeah, I'm gonna turn up the kick just a little bit. And then I'm gonna add an EQ on the chops. I'm just gonna take out the low end. I'm gonna leave the low end for right now, but in a little bit I'll take it out. Alright, so yeah, my drum pad has this thing that it just like repeats a note, so I don't have to like keep pressing it a lot. I also can do that. It's quick and easy. Call me lazy if you want, but you know, it'd be like that sometimes. So yeah, let's just put this in quickly. That's pretty good. So there's two ways I like to do low end. Is either just get the sample, duplicate it, and then just have like boost the low end, and the duplicate sample and take out all the high end, or I'll just take out the low end on the sample and then just add my own bass. So I'll try out both and see how they sound. Where's my instruments? Okay, so the basses that come with Ableton Lite, I got Ableton Lite with this drum pad. This is the MPD 218, by the way. It's pretty good. I like it a lot. But yeah, it comes with Ableton Live Light, and there's some good basses on here. So like I like to use either the boom sub bass or the where is it? The hip hop sub bass. So let's pull out the hip hop sub bass, see how it is. And if you're gonna do low end with, when you're gonna add your own low end, take out the low end on. Just do like a high pass filter on the sample. Alright, then I'm just gonna put a compressor on the bass and have the drums input into it. Yeah, I'm gonna mix with my headphones because this is what I have for headphones. A lot better than what I have for speakers. Not gonna record that part, but I think it's a good beat. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and I guess maybe I'll see you next video. See you guys later.